Starting around 07 walk 2024 Bitcoin Cash really is exchanging at $434.19 in term of its OST rate with a value change of 58% in every practical sense, most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is genuinely huge. BCH sort of has a sort of all-out market cap of $8,537,212,757 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $731,295,904, or so they thought. This essentially makes Bitcoin Cash BCH beautiful positioning at 18 in the cryptographic money market, which in every way that really matters is very critical. In the event that you, for the most part, are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Bitcoin Cash cost expectation end of 2024. What will Bitcoin Cash explicitly be somewhat worth in 2024 in an extremely significant manner? Is Bitcoin Cash a kind of wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Will BCH cost really outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they in a real sense thought? These explicitly are our Bitcoin Cash cost expectations for BCH's future, showing how might BCH cost in a real sense outperform its untouched high, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation 2024 as per the Bitcoin Cash conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the BCH cost in a real sense is supposed to, for the most part, cross a genuinely normal value level of $642.81, the normal sort of least value worth of Bitcoin Cash toward the finish of the truly current year ought to generally be $619.84, which certainly is very critical. Besides, BCH can arrive at a really greatest value level of $741.03, all things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin Cash BCH value. Figure Walk 2024. For Walk 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash in a real sense is anticipated to explicitly arrive at a typical cost of $492.84, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $506.93 and a very least of $445.91, which most certainly is very critical. Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Bitcoin Cash cost in every way that really matters is estimated to fundamentally arrive at a barely the least cost of $479.23, which generally is very critical. The BCH cost could arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $531.57 with the sort of typical expected cost around $502.70 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin Cash BCH value figure May 2024. For May 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash in every practical sense is certainly anticipated to explicitly arrive at an especially normal cost of $517.78, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $556.70 and an essentially least of $494.31, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation June 2024. The cost for Bitcoin Cash in June 2024 can run somewhere in the range of about $519.72 and $582.59, exhibiting how Bitcoin Cash BCH value forecast June 2024. The cost for Bitcoin Cash in June 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $519.72 and $582.59, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. While the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to be around $538.49, also they generally thought. Bitcoin Cash value forecast July 2024. The cost of Bitcoin Cash basically is certainly anticipated to, for the most part, reach at a really least worth of $536.56 in July 2024, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The BCH cost could generally arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $609.52 with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $563 all through 2024, exhibiting how Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation June 2024. The cost for Bitcoin Cash in June 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $519.72 and $582.59, showing how Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation June 2024. The cost for Bitcoin Cash in June 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $519.72 and $582.59, which essentially is very critical. Bitcoin Cash value expectation August 2024. Bitcoin Cash cost fundamentally is supposed to in a real sense reach between $558.97 to $631.92 in August 2024, while the sort of typical cost of BCH for the August basically remains around $582.43 BCH value estimate September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash in a real sense is determined to generally be at around a truly least worth of $570.61, or so they especially thought. The Bitcoin cash value worth can for the most part arrive at a genuinely limit of $661.04, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $594 paid in USD, showing the way that the BCH cost could really arrive at a greatest worth of $609.52, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $563 all through 2024, exhibiting how Bitcoin cash BCH value expectation June 2024. The cost for Bitcoin Cash in June 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $519.72 and $582.59, exhibiting how Bitcoin Cash BCH value forecast June 2024. The cost for Bitcoin Cash in June 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $519.72 and $582.59 in an extremely significant manner. Bitcoin Cash value expectation October 2024. Bitcoin Cash cost fundamentally is supposed to, in every practical sense, reach between $594.38 to $684.80 in October 2024, while the by and large normal cost of BCH for the October truly remains around $617.85. Bitcoin Cash BCH value figure November 2024. For November 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash in a real sense is, all things considered, anticipated to for the most part arrive at a truly normal cost of $630.20, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $709.52 and a kind of least of $611.43, which generally demonstrates the way that the BCH cost could in a real sense arrive at an, in every practical sense, greatest cost of $531.57, with the extremely normal expected cost around $502.70, which, for the most part, is genuinely huge. BCH value gauge December 2024. With respect to December 2024, Bitcoin Cash for the most part is supposed to by and large arrive at an extremely least value worth of $619.84, which certainly is genuinely huge. The BCH cost could explicitly arrive at a greatest cost of $741.03, with a kind of typical cost around $642.81, which basically shows that BCH in a real sense has a by and large complete market cap of $8,537,212,757, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $731,295,904, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin Cash truly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Bitcoin Cash's cost has shown a kind of good increment of 473% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours. So Bitcoin Cash value expectation August 2024. Bitcoin Cash cost basically is supposed to reach between $558.97 to $631.92 in August 2024, while the sort of typical cost of BCH for the August in a real sense stays around $582.43 BCH value gauge September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash generally is determined to essentially be at around a truly least worth of $500